Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, as good night. As you guys can see, I'm sweating, I'm dripping, I'm mean, which means I'm coming from my comfort zone. One of my favorite things to do, one of my favorite places to be each and every morning is to get my workouts in, and I just finished doing that.
Jamaican expression for today is gonna be pretty simple, and it's gonna be E.
E?
E.
E.
Come join me this one. E. Say E.
E.
Right.
Yes, I say. If you guys want to see the full program that I did this morning, go over to Body After Baby. The link is down below in the description box, and subscribe to my workout channel. I'll be working out with you. You heard that right, with you, side by side, giving you motivation, being there every step of the way with you. So if you haven't yet worked out, go ahead and catch all the videos that I have on my workout channel, and all the videos that will become for the rest of the week and for the rest of the time that this channel will be there. I'll be hitting every single mark. With that said, it's a brand new day around here and everybody's in their space. Sarah is in her playpen watching TV. Tyler is in his room playing a bit. However, after I shower and get fresh, he's going to come and jump right into schoolwork. Babe is in the office. It's his final week of staying home this week because we are going right back into normalcy, more normalcy outside, as he'll be no longer be working from home apart from on a Monday. So yeah, can you say good morning?
Morning.
Morning, Fibs.
Morning.
Anyway, you guys, I am going to go get fresh. Hopefully you guys are staying blessed, staying loved, staying motivated, and getting your workout in. Now you have an opportunity to really work alongside me. Take it. It's a brand new day. Take it. Take the opportunity to start. You're not on your own. I'm doing it with you, girl. So go over and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any video. You can pick, choose, and refuse any one of the programs that you want to do that's on there. Anyway, I am going to go get fresh. I have a lot to do around here as per usual. I have to look after my fam bam, and I have to navigate through my daily routine. So love you guys. Catch up and keep up. Subscribe to the Delaveaus channel right now if it's your first time here watching us. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys back with the rest of the fam bam in a bit. And today for lunch I am making a shrimp salad, and real quick I'm just showing you guys what I'm throwing in. My pot needs to turn down. So I put some olive oil in the pot, and I have some shrimp right here, and to the shrimp I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper real quick. Yes, I use cayenne pepper and everything. Then I'm gonna add some salt. And then I have assorted sweet peppers here, which I'm going to throw into it. I have onions and garlic right there, bam.
and that is just gonna saute for a few minutes, so like 3 minutes, and we'll be good. We'll be good. And then here I have lettuce, tomato, and avocado. Not too much, just a little, because everything else is in the shrimp. So I'm just gonna saute this real quick. I'm gonna throw this in the pan and saute it for 3 minutes. And what I'm gonna put on my salad before I put the shrimp on it is a little cashew, just to make the salad not be boring. So there we go. And then I'm gonna throw my shrimp right over there. And lunch will be ready. And there we have it. Our shrimp is all done. And we just throw, and I just throw a few of them over there. And there goes a quick and easy salad for lunch. That's we are making a quick road run. I'm going to the fruits and vegetable store real quick. Good morning, baby.
Morning, guys.
Ty, ready?
Yes.
Everybody's ready.
Ready to
All right,
go
let's
to
go.
Walmart.
You're going to Walmart?
Yeah.
Go, you watch too much Ryan. We all got back off the road and pick up some little few things at the fruits and veggie store, because that's where I went. So now I'm gonna show you guys all the things that I picked up.
Can I see?
What is this?
Apple.
Apple.
Healthy.
This one.
Carrot.
You guys can see. Let me see if you guys can see. Okay, you guys can see him now. Okay, what is this?
Plantain.
Yes.
I know it's plantain because it's green.
Okay, what is this?
Cucumber.
Yes.
I didn't buy celery.
Why I didn't buy celery?
Yes.
We're not finished taking out all the things yet. What is this?
Avocado.
Mm-hmm.
Big avocado. Big avocado. Pineapple. You tricked me.
Yes, I did. He asked for pineapple and I told him that I didn't get it. What is this?
Is it good and juicy? That's why I tell for me.
What is this?
Ginger.
Okay, what is this?
Cereal.
Mm-hmm, for Papa. What is this?
Sweet potato.
Mm-hmm. This.
Broccoli.
Mm-hmm, broccoli.
Lemon.
Mm-hmm.
Zucchini.
Uh-huh.
Celery.
Celery. Alright, what is this?
Banana.
Yes. What is this?
Tomato.
Okay, one last one. Ready?
Okay. Strawberry.
You guys.
I can have the pineapple because it's good and juicy.
Okay, I'm gonna cut it for you. And look at Sarah over there. Anyway, you guys, those are all the things I picked up at the fruits and vegetable store. And now he said he wants pineapple, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel the pineapple for him. At least that's one person snack out of the way for the evening.
Stop screaming, Papa, working. You guys, it is dinner time right now, and for dinner I am making some salmon. So in my pot I'm adding a little bit of olive oil, and then I'm gonna add my salmon on top of that, and then that is gonna go with some green beans and a little bit of quinoa, and that's a perfect dinner. Okay, you guys, here goes dinner for tonight. Green beans, quinoa, and salmon. I did the green beans, but I already had quinoa in the fridge, so I just whopped up the salmon real quick with it. And Tyler also had rice in the fridge, so he's having salmon and green beans. And this one is for Mama. So Mama, Tyler, and Papa. Dinner is done. To end this vlog, because we didn't end it last night, so we have to come back to end it, and we're gonna kick it off with the expressions of the day.
You want to know
What's the French expression?
Okay, the French expression is dans les nuages.
In the snow.
In the cloud.
In the cloud.
Dans les nuages. If somebody say you are dans les nuages, what it means?
Means you're dreaming.
Right. Mean you are dreaming. You are completely
Lost, gone,
away.
dreaming.
Yeah. You are away. Tu es dans les nuages.
Okay, that's you and Tyler sometimes. Just zone out completely in a whole new world. Okay, the Jamaican expression for today is gonna be pretty simple, and it's gonna be E.
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 Come Ty, come join me this one. E. Say E.
E.
Right. If for example, if Tyler said, Mama, I have a cut on my finger, and my response is E.
Like me not care.
No.
And I'm going to tell you the next
Wait.
Like-
Or if you say
Mama, I'm hungry. I need to say
no. No. It's respond to saying yes or okay.
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 Like if you come home from work and say, babe, I had a really good day at work today, and I said, like, really? Okay.
So I have the next French expression.
What's the French
The
expression?
next French expression is
Make sure it's French.
okay. Boom, bada boom.
Boom bada boom.
Boom, bada
That's
boom.
French. That's French. Boom bada boom.
That's French?
Yeah.
What
so
does that
say
mean?
it. Boom the bada boom.
Boom, bada
Guess
boom.
what it
It's
means,
when
Mama?
what it means.
Boom, bada boom.
First,
Boom,
you
bada
two
boom.
need to
What it
guess.
means.
Boom, bada boom. Mean.
And then Sarah is walking in. Boom bada boom.
Mean she fell.
Yeah, that's the noise.
Oh.
Boom bada boom.
No,
Okay.
that,
You
that,
cannot move when you're filming. You're like,
that
come on, I'm moving.
mean we rock and then roll over and then we see a flack of water and then we do and then boom bada boom.
All right, Tyler. Thanks for the expression of the day. Anyway, you come.
You cannot do that on Papa.
Anyway, you guys, we're gonna leave the vlog here. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. Catch up and
People.
keep up. It's catch up and keep up.
Okay.
Say it.
Catch up and keep on.
Right.
Mama,
Yes, Tyler. Bye bye.
why you're
Bye-bye.
not saying to fix all about your workout?
I told them
channel?
about all my workout channel already. Tell them again. Tell them. Practically. Come tell them again. Tell them what they need to do.
You need to subscribe to Mama Workout channel.
And what Mama Workout channel is called?
You need to subscribe.
To Body
to-
After Baby.
Yes, butter after baby. Bye bye. Catch up and keep up.